used to move cherished bookmarks from book to book. There were also those kindly donated by bookshops, but you can also make your own. Some might relate to favourite activities. Now note this, not just a favourite activity, but room to make notes. The bookmark lives with the book. No need for dog ears or writing in the margins. Once you've learnt that lesson, you need quite a few bookmarks, like this pack of 25, or make your own. All you need is some paper, not 100 gram, not 150, but ideally 160 or a bit more, available from your local craft shop or Amazon for a £5. If you need a pattern, go to Pattern Cooler, for example. Chop a bit off top and bottom in Adobe, then hollow it out, and you have a template. These motifs are in Serif's British Clip Art collection. You're spoilt for choice on the internet. The fun is just beginning though. Image manipulation is fascinating. Besides Adobe, I use Serif, Print Artist in Photo Plus has a range of effects, and its kaleidoscope feature can produce endless motifs. Finally, why not try a corner motif?